The concept of warp drive, popularized in science fiction, involves manipulating space-time to achieve faster-than-light travel. While still theoretical, it has intriguing implications for the search for alien life, particularly in the context of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. Warp drive as a potential indicator of alien life. One of the most exciting connections between warp drives and the search for alien life is the possibility of detecting their signatures. Scientists hypothesize that advanced alien civilizations might already possess warp drive technology. If they do, their use of such drives could leave detectable traces in the fabric of space-time. Gravitational waves. A warp drive works by creating a warp bubble that contracts space in front of a spacecraft and expands it behind it. While the ship itself wouldn't produce gravitational waves while traveling within the bubble, the creation and collapse of these warp bubbles at the beginning and end of a journey could generate unique gravitational wave signals. These signals would be distinct from those produced by natural phenomena like black hole mergers, potentially allowing observatories like LIGO to detect them. Researchers are exploring how such containment failures or intentional activations of warp drives might manifest as gravitational waves. Technosignatures. Beyond direct detection of warp drives, the existence of such technology by an alien civilization would be a clear technosignature, evidence of advanced technology. This shifts the focus of SETI from solely looking for radio signals to also searching for physical manifestations of alien engineering. Warp drive and the feasibility of interstellar travel. The vast distances between stars pose a significant challenge to the search for alien life and direct contact. Even the nearest star system is light years away, meaning conventional travel methods would take tens of thousands of years. Overcoming the light speed barrier. The fundamental appeal of warp drive is its theoretical ability to circumvent the speed of light limitation without violating the laws of physics. Instead of accelerating an object through space faster than light, it manipulates space around the object. If such technology were possible, it would drastically reduce interstellar travel times, making direct exploration and contact with alien civilizations a more realistic prospect. Addressing the Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of observational evidence. If advanced civilizations could develop warp drive technology, it would make interstellar colonization and exploration far more efficient, potentially explaining why we haven't seen signs of them. Perhaps they haven't visited us yet, or their methods of travel leave different kinds of traces than we've traditionally sought. Challenges and speculation. While the scientific community is exploring the theoretical underpinnings of warp drives, it's important to remember that exotic matter. Most theoretical warp drive concepts, like the Alcubierre drive, require negative energy or exotic matter with properties not yet understood or observed. Recent research suggests some forms of warp drive might not require negative energy, but the practical creation of such a drive remains a monumental challenge. Highly theoretical. The detection of warp drive signatures is currently a highly theoretical endeavor. Scientists would need to develop specialized instruments to scour the cosmos for these specific gravitational wave patterns without knowing if anything is truly there. In conclusion, warp drive remains firmly in the realm of theoretical physics and science fiction. However, its potential to enable interstellar travel and its hypothetical observable signatures make it a fascinating and increasingly relevant concept in the ongoing scientific quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe?